I know what it means to live for only 5 years. But you must take it easy. Maybe I joined this Yahoo because of my family. I joined this Yahoo because of my siblings to train them in school and also take care of myself. Why did they give me 5 years? What's the sense of making this money without enjoying it? Eh? What's the sense of it? If I don't like this, I regret ever joining Yahoo of it. I just regret it. I regret it. Take it easy. Don't tell me to take it easy. I hate this constant. It's so heartbroken. If you join my shoe, what will you do? Eh, what will you do? I hate Yahoo. I hate it. Oh, like that, my parents so like this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm dead.
There is no going back. The sacrifice is a must. Failure to do your sacrifice. Death! Hey. Death!
You're welcome. As you can see, to get money is not an easy task. It must cost you something so precious to you. This is my 2 years in this particular business, and my task is sleeping with girls every week, young girls. I spend money on them, I sleep with them. Any person I sleep with dies immediately. So relax your mind. Very soon you get used to it. You can see that Yahoo is not a child's play. Any question?
Yes, boss. I have a question.
Okay.
Like, is there no any way, like, they can add my own sacrifice, even though if it is 10 years to the 5 years they give me? 5 years is too short, and the months are running.
There is nothing you can do about it. Absolutely nothing. All you have to do is to make a wise decision, spend your money, make your investments, eat your money. Okay?
Because this life is sweet. I want to enjoy it out. This life is very small for me.
Any question? More?
Because this madness of it, like, where and when will it occur?
Well, it has no absolute period or no certain time. Just get yourself prepared, get your mind prepared. It can happen at any time.
Ew!
Further questions?
Yes.
Can't I be eating my shit just Once in a week. Once in a week.
Sorry, that's a super delicacy. It's your daily routine, so enjoy your meal.
You send meal.
Yeah. Next.
Sir, I love my mother so much. Is there any way that I can exchange her with someone else? 9 months. Sir, it's not easy.
Sorry, hence the fate picked your mom. That's it. That's your fate. 3 men. And 3 men is 3 men on daily basis. Very soon you get used to it. It might be difficult for you now, but very soon, I promise you, you get used to it. Okay? So it's nothing to worry about. Further questions? Madam, you have anything to chip in?
No, I have nothing to say. You said it all. Thank you so much. Girls, just try to accept your fate with strong mind. Nothing is happening, okay? Alright, we have new person in our midst. Cynthia, can you step forward? Yeah, this is Cynthia.
Hi, ladies.
There you are. Welcome.
Thank you.
Cynthia, feel free to mingle with the girls, okay?
Alright.
With time you will learn.
Okay.
Go with the girls, okay? With time you will learn.
Cynthia, you're welcome. Very soon you fit in. You can see what we do here. Properly. You're welcome.
Like that.
What of the head? The head
The head is 4-5.
Hey!
I even shot one himself. They said I'm 5,000. I should try this one.
Yeah, put on yours. Yeah. lost my mom.
Your mom?
My mom.
Sorry, calm down. Sit down first.
My mom.
Madam, I've just transferred 900 million into the account.
Good. That's good. I heard that Stephanie's mother died. I'll be sponsoring the burial with the sum of 100 million naira.
Well, that's so thoughtful of you.
Yeah.
The great goddess.
Goddess.
Brownie, I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. The girl you slept with was on her period. Brownie, you have just 90 days to leave.
The great one. Is there nothing I can do?
Nothing can be done. That is the punishment for your actions. Your carelessness has cost you your life. Stainless, you just have 7 days to sacrifice 2 newborn babies to the great Efuma. Failure to do that, death shall visit you.
Years. 5 years. But you must take it easy.
Did you say take it easy? Babe, do you know what is 5 years? Like, do you know that months are running faster? Eh? Babe, I joined this Yahoo because of my family. I joined this Yahoo because of my siblings to train them in school and also take care of myself. Why did they give me 5 years? Why did they give me 5 years?
Take it easy.
Which line will Nana live now to eat the money? Which line will I eat?